Alright. Does it... Can you guys hear me, by the way? I'm actually curious. Let me just check my stream real quick. Immediately. Wow, nice, cute, nice. I gotta see with this now, huh? I'm actually curious, so let me just check my stream real quick. Immediately. Well, y'all just have to handle with this microphone quality since my earphone has been, stopped working, so I just have to deal with something like this. So if I hear y'all complaining about this audio, well then too bad, so sad. I just have to get over with. If I hear y'all complaining about my microphone, well too bad, so sad. This is Lily Smith. Y'all just have to get over with. I'm gonna check my stream real quick. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Like, I don't usually, I like this. This is that game user type of thing. If that game user used this, that could have been a perfect thing. That game user's really me monitors, I don't know. Wait, let me just watch the stream. Thank God my microphone's only at full volume. Otherwise your ears have to be blown up. But anyways, oh my god, can I change this? Can I just get like a beautiful one yet? How about this one? Does this work? Alright. I guess here or what? Hold on, I'll go check the stream. I'm currently controlling... No, shut up. Okay, it didn't change anything. It didn't change anything. I may complain about this, the audio quality, because, it's like too distorted. No one knows why, but on Windows it's not distorted, but on Linux it's distorted for whatever reason. Wow, this is still weird to me. How is my microphone distorted on Linux, but not on this? On Windows it's not that distorted, but that has to be wrong. Seriously, come on. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Well, anyways, should we begin, ladies and gentlemen? Should we begin the stream with this loud microphone? I guess we should begin now. Come on now, because it's been a few minutes. Well, my microphone's not that loud on Windows, but it's distorted on Linux, but again, who cares? It's been 4 minutes, but welcome! Hold on, I'm just close. Recently, I decided to boot my computer with Windows and Linux Mint. Installing Linux is sometimes scary. It's scary to me. I always thinking I'm gonna lose my Windows 8.1, my Windows 8.1 drive, the C drive. I was thinking that I'm gonna lose my Windows 8.1 drive. Should I bring my chat there? Come on, you guys can go too. Come on in. Okay, I can't. I'll just put you back there. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm gonna create a new scene real quick. Hold on. Alright, let me just, this is literally, by the way, I shouldn't be adding that. Are you seeing? Okay, existing scene, so, by the way, my watermark is green because Linux Mint, I'm using Linux Mint instead of Windows. If it was Windows, it could have been blue red, but since it's Linux and Linux Mint, encoding overload. First off, what do you mean encoding overload? It says encoding overload. But again, it's Linux Mint. I made it green because, I'm using Linux Mint. If it was maybe Windows could have just made it blue red. But anyways, let's begin. First off, to attract some Linux users, we should do new fetch. Ah! Ooh, that was painful. I mean, it's not the painful, it's just new fetch. Why am I doing that in the first place? Well, it's just for the video, because I'm making a video about this one too. I may start, making, videos of streams I make usually. Let's see what we have. Oh yeah, I forgot. Alright, system settings. Let's see what we should do. We're gonna do some personalization first, and then we'll just begin messing around. Alright. We changed the background. Before that, it was like, it was a whole different background. It was this. It was this one, but I changed it to that one. Should I change it to this one? I guess I will change it to this one. I like this one. Alright, effects. What are effects? What do we have? Traditional fly. We're gonna change those. Themes. It's taking too long. Well, the other ones didn't take that much long, but themes did take a while. Okay, there we go. Let's make it dark. Okay, we made it dark, and we're gonna make it red. Or we can just make it green, because, Linux Mint, again. But who cares, I'll just go with this. Alright, now we're now in... let's say we now changed some stuff. We made it dark mode, and we made it red, okay? I can't imagine how distorted the microphone is. It makes me remind me of, Michael P? It reminds me of Michael P. But all I know is my microphone's not that loud. But for whatever reason, on Linux Mint, my microphone's loud. Louder than Michael P. It actually works with Michael P, actually. Oh, great. The folder is now red, too. Anyways, so let's just... Should we do something? What should we do? Do you have any ideas? What should we do on Linux Mint? This thing's lagging because this thing didn't have any graphic drivers to survival, just letting y'all know. But yet it works perfectly. Do you have any ideas? What should we do, ladies and gentlemen? I just have to hear this loud fan noise. I get the point. Alright, I'll just... By the way, I installed OBS through the software manager, aka Linux Mint store. So yeah, let's just install some stuff and actually play. Cause why not? It's still loading. Does this mean? Alright, there we go. We got store. Alright, I also installed VirtualBox here too, right? Do we have VirtualBox? Yeah, we do have VirtualBox. Because I'm also going to be making a VM there. Okay, we have Krita, we got Dark Table, we got Hedge Wars, we got a lot of stuff. I'm actually going to be making a VM and actually mess around with it. DOSBox, sure. DOSBox. Anyways, that was in a living room. My brother was watching a... Never mind. I'm gonna mention that. It's just a drama. It's just a drama show. Don't know if you guys hear it or not. Hopefully, because I'm hearing on my ears. know, it's getting annoying. Never mind, I'm gonna mention that. Right? No screaming. Alright, now it's installing. We finally installed, so let's just get out of here. Let's install some virtual machine. Or let's install some ISO section, not virtual machine. We're making a virtual machine on VirtualBox. Alright, let's install Tiny 7 because I'm going to be installing the entirety of Windows 7, okay? Hold on, I will be right back real quick. Okay, I apologize. My grandma called me. She gave me a kiss on the cheek. And she's gonna be making something good today. It's sacrifice feast, so yeah. I'm just again because I don't want these people to be disturbed on the room TV. But anyways, we're gonna installing Tiny 7. Alright. We're gonna install through Internet Archive. You know, I'm just gonna click on this, by the way. I like Firefox. Alright, Tiny 7, install. Alright, how much? 9 minutes? Oh my god. Oh my god. 4 minutes. Bro, Windows takes Windows takes like an hour. Like, Windows 8.1 is like exaggerating. But like, Linux is not. Linux is like dead serious. They're just going on beast mode. Which is impressive. And a good thing to see. Wait, now it's getting higher. I'm just close this real quick. Right. Wait, no, we don't need any boost. Thank you. By the way, after this, I'm making another stream shortly after. Come on! 60 minutes! But what do I do? What do I do? Alright, go. Let's see. What's really have here, man? I will just go for some stuff. Alright, fonts. Font selection. You know what, actually, I'm not going to change the font. Because the font is a sans serif. Oh, it's Ubuntu regular, not sans serif. Right, Ubuntu bold. Do you have like arrow? They better have that. Of course you have. Oh, they don't have that. You know, it's okay. Actually, let's just one over. Where's that? Where's that one? They got Ubuntu sans. URW Gothic Demi. How is this font? Well, not bad. Let me just change it to URW Gothic Demi. Select. That's delicious. That's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Windows 9.x actually lets you change the Windows font all the way to Windows 7. You can still do that on like Windows 7 if you're like making like, you know, themes. Well, if you have like, you know, let's just say like if you have like Windows Classic and you're doing something on Windows Classic, like a theme or so, then you can just change the Windows font. I mean, you can still do that on Windows 7 alongside with Windows 9.x. So again, please expect distorted microphone recording. I apologize, but this is what you guys have to deal with. This is Linux, not Windows, first of all. It's exaggerating. Like, Linux is not. Alright, still struggling. 50 minutes now. I'm just watching my stream at the same time. Wow. I got 10 views from that. I got 2 views from that. I'll go check through my studio real quick. Or actually, wait, just can I actually no. Well, I'll go check through my YouTube studio real quick. Let's make the time. I'm gonna go watch that on my Google Chrome. I'm on my phone right now, so I'll go check while that thing's being installed. Well, let's see. Not connected. What do you mean not connected? It's fine. By the way, this is impressive. It's doing great, but on Windows it's not. Oh my god! I haven't realized this. 52. It's using 50 like, it's using like 50% of the CPU. But yeah, it still does do really well. I'm actually gonna, let me just give a warning real quick. Should I make like another one after this stream? I'll make another one actually. But like, maybe tomorrow, so, or maybe I'll do it today too. Please expect my mic is trash on Linux. Please expect this for now. Alright. Do you see the message? Why is it that big? I typed something. Alright, I just can see. Alright, there we go. We just put this message possibly on top. Recording overload. This is the second one. Well, this is the default. Why are you complaining? Look, it's gone now. Or let's just put you in the corner for now. Oh man. It's so trash that your ears are gonna be exploding. Can you get, hold on, I'll just check my stream real quick. It's just not connected, but my stream is doing fine on my channel right now. Right? Yeah, it does. Look, one watching. What is that? Never mind, just ignore. Anyways, do we have DOSBox still in this stream? We did. DOSBox simulator. Alright. DOSBox. Yeah, we don't have to, so oops. Alright. Intro. Okay. I do use DOSBox a lot. I don't really that use DOSBox, I just use like VirtualBox or so. Or just basically just, format it to like, something for like $3 or so. I just format it to $3 and just put some stuff in it and boom, I don't use, DOSBox or anything else. Where's Thunderbolt? Okay, Thunderbolt or USB 4 is undetected on your system. Okay. What do we have? Riffing Box, OBS, Office. We have Calendar, Library, LibreOffice. So let's just go with LibreOffice. Because why not? Alright, let's just do something like writer document. And let's type something. You're running the version 24.2 of LibreOffice for the first time. Nah, I don't want to know. This is literally just Office, okay? Hi, this is a document testing from Linux Mint, and also while streaming. Save. Alright, there we go. I saved it. Alright, is my things not being finished? Because I'm gonna be quick. Alright, 1.3 megabytes per second. Oh, Windows key does your work. Alright, we got Matrix, Thunderbird, Mail, Web Apps. Web websites as if they're apps. No, thank you. Let's see. Let's go drawing actually. Should we draw something? Should we draw something sweet as like the Linux Mint logo or something else? I think we should do. Just for the love of Linux Mint. Alright. I'm using my touchscreen for this one. But I did trash. Oh, never mind, I did not. Okay, how is it? It's trash, but you know, I tried. I mean, it looks good though. I don't need to call it trash. It's good anyways, but like I tried. There we go, I made it. Just for Linux Mint. Alright, save. Turn on the PNG. Alright, we got Tiny7 installed, finally, after like a few minutes, surprisingly. Alright, let's go to VirtualBox now, finally. By the way, VirtualBox's site is broken. I couldn't access it. Don't know if it's like, you know, still working, but like it's not working on like Windows. Like the site was not working, okay? Let's go with Windows 7 Tiny. Yes. I don't care. Go. Excuse me. Right, let's see. Display always 128. Do we have any? Okay, we got 2048 megabytes of memory. And for the ISO, we're gonna go here. Choose the disk file. Okay, we should have on our downloads. Yeah, Tiny7. Okay. Run. Let's go. Hopefully this will run. Alright, there we go. There it goes. Enable. Okay, can't enable the AMD extension. Please disable the KMV kernel extension to compile your kernel and reboot. Okay, so I can't do it because of a kernel, not a kernel, but because of an AMD issue. We'll just redo it again. Yeah, it says this. So, unfortunately I can't because of an error. How sweet. How sweet. What a sweet thing, huh? Well, anyways. I'll just go through these apps then. Alright, we forgot to try some few more. I'll just end the stream because, I have nothing to do on this thing. Okay, 5 plus... Okay, forgot your typical cackler, your casual. We're having big favorites. Power statistic, power, what is that again? Power statistics, login window, fingerprints. That's what touchscreen videos, right? Riffing box, hypnotics, I never heard of these. Pics. Let's check pics. This is going to be the last app till I basically end the stream, because I don't think this stream's going to be lasting this long. Alright, we only just have our Linux Mint drawing. Linux Mint logo drawing. Drawing, not driving. Well, anyways, so this is going to be our... Okay, we're gonna wait till 27 seconds and I'll end the stream. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. And lastly, I may apologize for trash quality of my mic. I don't know how. I never expected this loud, but I apologize. Thanks for watching. See you next time, and I apologize for trash mic quality.